Hey there, home bakers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolute favorite South American treats, chocolate-covered alfajores. Picture this, two soft, buttery cookies filled with creamy dulce de leche, and then coated in a rich layer of chocolate. Sounds irresistible, right? Let's dive in. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the cookies, you'll need 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. For the filling, grab about 1 cup of dulce de leche. And for that delicious chocolate coating, you'll need 8 ounces of dark or semi-sweet chocolate and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, let's start with the cookie dough. In a medium bowl, whisk together the cornstarch, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate large bowl, beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add the egg yolks one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then incorporate the vanilla extract and lemon zest. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, mixing until a smooth dough forms. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 2 portions and wrap each in plastic wrap. Pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm up. After chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roll out the dough to about 1 4-inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Use a round cookie cutter, about 2 inches in diameter, to cut out the cookies and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, just until they're set but still pale. Remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Now, it's time to assemble the alfajores.